Imagine the exhilaration of high-speed sports cars and the opulence of luxury boating, merged into one. This year marks the 75th anniversary of Abarth, a brand synonymous with speed and innovation. Celebrating this milestone, Abarth introduced the world to its latest marvel, the Abarth Offshore, at the prestigious Top Mark 2024 event in Monaco. This fusion not only highlights Abarth's rich heritage, but also its pioneering venture into the nautical realm. This is the Abarth Offshore, where the passion for speed meets the love for the sea. The Abarth Offshore is a leap from asphalt to waves. From the racetracks to the high seas, Abarth has expanded its horizon, merging its renowned car-making prowess with the intricacies of nautical engineering. This transition is most vividly captured in the design of the Abarth Offshore. Its metallic green bodywork shimmers iridescently under the sun, complemented by rich, dark hazelnut detailing and stitching that exudes luxury. The craft's rigid hardtop, a nod to Abarth's cabrio models, curves elegantly around the passenger compartment, offering both style and protection. Underneath this sleek exterior lies a robust hydrojet engine, paired with Riva racing exhausts that not only amplify its power, but also echo the aggressive auditory signature of Abarth's terrestrial vehicles. The Abarth Offshore's sporty lines promise not only a visual feast, but a testament to speed and agility on water. Abarth Offshore is not just a boat, it's a statement, a testament to Abarth's daring spirit. But the Abarth Offshore isn't just about speed and aggressiveness. It's a luxurious maritime marvel that caters to your comfort and style. The swim platform with its elegant recessed steel ladder and the double sundeck aft invite you to unwind after a pleasant dip. High-quality materials are found throughout the boat, from the Cintiq synthetic teak with customizations to the handrail that follows the sharp lines from stern to bow. Now let's talk sound. The onboard Garmin stereo system with 4 Fusion speakers and a subwoofer turns the dashboard into a sounding board. And for those who crave something truly unique, the Abarth Offshore offers a range of customization options. The Abarth Offshore, a perfect blend of sportiness and uniqueness, is a limited gem with only 500 one-of-a-kind units available, ready to redefine your sailing experience.